So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the largest market cap stocks in Australia on Yahoo Finance. So once the Yahoo Finance app is open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to this bottom bar, and in between where it says news and markets, it says discover. Simply just press on that. Once you're here, go to the top left, make sure that equities is selected, and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come across market value. And simply just press on where it says largest market cap. Press on that right there. Now, when you go to the region, go to press on region right here to get to this drop down. Scroll all the way to the bottom and uncheck the USA. And since we're looking for Australia, scroll all the way back to the top. Make sure that Australia is selected. Then go and press on apply. Once that is done, as you can tell, we can now view the largest market cap stocks in Australia. Also, too, where it says market cap right here, just press on it to make sure that large and mega cap stocks are selected. Once that is done, as you can tell, you can scroll down. These are the largest stocks in regards to market cap in Australia that you can now see on Yahoo Finance. So fairly straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.